Today's episode is Ball installs Happy Wheels and gets grounded. Enjoy the video. And don't forget, never install Happy Wheels without their permissions. Man, I cannot believe I don't have Happy Wheels. That is bad. I'm going to find a way how to install Happy Wheels on my computer. Well, my computer isn't running Happy Wheels. So, Happy Wheels is not available on app stores on Chromebooks or MacBooks. So I have MacBooks because, yeah, I only have them. Well, because, yeah. So, why do you think Happy Wheels is not in the App Store on MacBooks? Well, it's just because it's only compatible for iPhone and iPads. Well, actually, now... So how do I install Happy Wheels? Aha! I'm going to download Happy Wheels. So I'm going to use hacking tools and hack a program to install Happy Wheels. That's a great idea. But first, I have to get my computer. Well, it's time to hack this installing website program to install Happy Wheels. So, let's search for Happy Wheels. Okay, there are results for Happy Wheels. Why is there no results for Happy Wheels? Let me try again. What? Does it say I don't have internet connection or something? Oh yeah. Let's hack this website to get results for this. There, I hacked it. Now it's time to install Happy Wheels, but it's download instead of install. It's time to hack the download button to turn it into install button. There. Time to install Happy Wheels. Happy Wheels successfully installed. Now I can open. Wait a second. Why is it not responding? What the heck? Why does it crash? No. Why does Happy Wheels crash? Why does it crash on MacBooks instead? No. This is the worst day ever. No. Ball, I heard you said you installed Happy Wheels. Tell me the truth, or else you will be grounded. Okay. It's just because I want to get Happy Wheels. After I've opened it, it stopped responding because it's only compatible for iMacs. Please, forgive me. I am sorry. Okay, so nothing strange is happening. Oh. Ball, how dare you purchase Happy Wheels? You know you're not supposed to have Happy Wheels. That is so lit. You're grounded forever. Now, delete Happy Wheels and go to your room to think what you have done. Well, if you don't, I will give you punishment day. Why was the computer still on? Anyways, I'm going to turn it off. There.